everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always. So y'all, I am super excited to do this video today because it is my nappiversary. All right, 6 whole years, and I am just so excited. This journey has been life-changing and it has been so much fun, you know, to say the least. And so I am so elated to share this day with you all because, you know, last year when I did my 5-year nappiversary, it wasn't too exciting because I was still in school. I was stressed. Okay, not stressed, I was stressed. I was going through some things. But since it is my nappiversary, y'all know I had to come on through with the hairstyle. So as you all can see, I have these beautiful spiral curls. So y'all already know I got y'all covered. I got a video coming really soon to show you all. But anyway, as you all know, when I do my nappiversary videos, I always come to you all with some of the things that I've learned, some of the goals that I'm looking forward to with my hair and growth and all of that stuff in the years to come, as well as my infamous length check. So make sure that you all stay tuned. All right, ladies, so let's go ahead and hop in. So number 1, things that I have learned about me and my hair throughout year 5. So one of the biggest things that I learned in year 5 about my natural hair, as well as myself, is that we are resilient. Because I know there was a lot of days in year 5 where I was like, I don't have time. I don't have the time or the energy to fight it, but y'all, it's still hanging tough. Like, it's still here, it's still flourishing. Number 2, sometimes my hair and I need a break, and that's okay. And again, that was a huge theme in year 5. I was tired a lot and I just needed a break, and I think it was good for my hair too because I wasn't manipulating it, wasn't a lot of heat, wasn't a lot of combing or brushing, just chilling. You know, not a lot going on as far as hairstyles are concerned. And then number 3 is that growth is inevitable as long as you're moving forward. And I say that because, you know, I didn't do a lot of styles, which I feel like, you know, kind of caused my channel to suffer a little bit. But I was taking care of my hair, you know, decently, and it still grew. Like, nothing crazy happened, you know, even though I didn't have all of these intricate styles. You know, it maintained. And I think the same thing, you know, with me as a person in year 5. I was just like, yo, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm making progress. I'm making strides. You know, growth will happen, whether it's length in your hair or just in your life, as long as you're moving forward. But you know, it's the little things, day by day, as long as you're making progress, growth is inevitable. All right, so next up, let's talk about my go-to hairstyles that I had during year 5. Super funny. So as you all will see later, just how long my hair has gotten. I rocked a lot of buns, and I plan on doing some tutorials about them too. But buns became everything, as y'all can see, right? So I had the big bun at the top, and one side note, I'm just so proud I can do big buns at the top, like lifesaver. Pig puff buns, had a lot of those going on too. Just a lot of buns in year 5. Next, let's talk about my goals for year 6 with my natural hair. So number 1 is creating quick and easy natural hairstyles. I think in year 5, I really got burnt out styling my hair, and not just styling it, but dealing with how long and how thick it has gotten. And to be honest, I did not realize how long my hair had gotten until I did my length check and I blew out my hair like yesterday. And so I was like, that's why I've been exhausted, because it is so much hair. And I had no idea. So number 2, giving my hair more TLC and getting back into a regimen. So like I said, this past year, I'm so ashamed, but here lately, I've been going like 2 weeks without a wash. Not moisturizing my hair as much. And so that is definitely something I want to get back into, because I don't know about y'all, but my hair is like a form of self-care. When my hair's not together, like, my friends check on me. Like, you good? Like, sis, you okay? What's wrong? You know, so it is a reflection of me and making sure that I'm really caring for myself as well as my hair. So that's goal number 2. Number 3, as always, growing healthier and longer hair, or cutting it off. I know that's drastic, like, Haley, what? So I have been contemplating cutting my hair like majority of the 5th year of me being natural. For a lot of reasons, because I'm tired of dealing with it because it's so much and it's hard to maintain sometimes. It needs to be healthy regardless of the length. But also my thing is like, if I'm not going to maintain and care for my hair because it is long and it wears me out, then it would just be better if I cut it, you know, to help myself out. So one of those things. But if I cut it, y'all gonna be the first to know. So no worries. Number 4, I think, it's coloring my hair. I'm so ready for another color. As y'all can see, this color I have in my hair, it's kind of faded and it's growing out too. I like, you know, the lighter brown color it has turned into, but I'm ready to do something else. That's my next goal, whether long or short, getting another color. Last and not least, the time that we have all been waiting for, and that is my length check. So, are y'all ready? No. Are y'all? So let's see. Let's get into it. All right, ladies. So here we go. Let's start on the side. Wow, look at that. Craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We're gonna hit it this side. Wow. Yes, definitely some growth from the last time I did it. Okay, we'll do a side piece to gauge that. Okay. Okay. All right, so here's the front. The top, here's a top right here. Okay, y'all, so now for the grand finale. I cannot wait to show y'all the length that I have achieved in the back of my head. So here we go. All right, here's the back. Y'all, I am at bra strap length. I am elated. So that is the back. Ooh. And I'll pull another one back. Y'all, trying to stretch it in the back is a struggle. But yes, here's another back piece. Yes, y'all, that is my length check, and I am so elated and so proud about how long my hair has gotten. Y'all, I have hit bra strap length, okay? It only took 6 years to do so, but no, I'm super proud, super content with whatever the length is of my hair at this moment. But I'm just happy I have long, thick, healthy hair. Healthy hair being the key. For me too, I'm super excited at this point, and it kind of makes me not want to cut it, but just to prove a point, because y'all, still today in 2018, there is still somewhat of this myth that Black women and Black girls cannot grow hair. Not only can we grow it, but we will grow it and it will be beautiful. And so I just wanted to throw that out there, you know, and also to just be an encouragement. I think my natural hair journey has taught me a lot. It showed me a lot. It has been fun. It has been painful. It has been challenging. It's been a lot of things, but like I said, I think it's really reflective of who we are as Black women and even my life. And I think something that's really funny too is that I returned natural after I graduated from high school. So year 6 has been like a year of completion. And I say that because I've been natural ever since I've been in college. And y'all know I just graduated from college again, you know, with my master's degree. And so it's almost like a full circle, right? Thus far, being natural for 6 years, it has shown me so much about who I am and the woman that I've become. And it has helped me walk into womanhood and my purpose and what I want for myself and how I see myself. So I know a lot of times we put a lot of emphasis on how our hair looks and the length of our hair and all of those things, but for me it's deeper than that, and it's a part of the journey. For most Black women, we haven't always been natural, right? And it has been something that has been a resurgence in our community. And so to me, it has been a part of my great awakening and helping me, like I said, develop who I am. Going through this journey has been one of self-acceptance, self-love, self-awareness. It has just been a beautiful time for me to grow and develop. So when I say that my hair is a reflection of who I am, I mean that. And when I talk about resiliency, there's been a lot of times, well, in the beginning where I was like, I hate this, I hate my hair, I hate the texture, should have kept it straight, like all of those things. But through all of that, like through all of the external factors and all of the external feedback, what some in the communication field would call noise. You know, it's about more than that. You know, it's about what your hair stands for and what it is representative of, you know. And so to me, it is my blackness, it is my womanness, you know, my womanhood, like all of that. My energy, you know, it feeds through my hair. And I'm just so happy to be like in this place of like growth and progression and all of those things. But yes, so I'm gonna get off my soapbox, but thank you guys so much for tuning in with me and spending part of your day with me to celebrate my 6-year Nappiversary. So moving forward, be on the lookout for videos entailing my updated products list, a video about length retention, as well as the video detailing how I got this beautiful look. All right, so again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys really soon. Bye.